And a good hello to you. Thank you for joining us here at Coolest Life. My name is Tony, and I'm here to take you through this park. This is an RV park in Anaconda, Montana. Yeah, that's the name of it right there. Can you catch all that? Copper Court. Yeah, so I'm going to take you through this park and show you the ins and outs of this park and what kind of experience we had at this park. We enjoyed it. No major issues here. Maybe if you're in Anaconda, which is about 4 miles, I guess, off of I-5 in southwest corner of Montana, which due south of us is going to be Idaho. We're that far south, or that far west. Anyway, come along with us because you just entered the Coolest Life RV Park Review Edition. So what do you get here at the park besides magnificent views? You get spots that look like this. So you get your picnic table, your pedestal. Everything is grouped pretty well together. There is a cable coming out of here. I don't know if they got cable TV or not, to tell you the truth. Maybe they do. Huh. I actually didn't use mine. But your pedestal is going to look like this. So they got all of them that you need. It's a good looking pedestal, not leaning or anything. Water spout comes there. They've also got these water sprinklers at different areas, and of course they got sewer. That's what you get. So this would be this one here, belongs to these people, and then of course your table. Drawback to this place here is I've noticed this, like here's your picnic table and here's your neighbor's sewer. So in that sense it's not very well designed, and they're kind of jamming them together a little bit, because I mean, just look at this, you think, oh, there's this table and there's this sewer. No, and his everything is not his sewer but his power pole. But no, power pole belongs to these people, table belongs to these people. But and as you can see, it's still picturesque. Not a ton of traffic. This is a town of about 9,000 people here in Anaconda, and it was established halfway before the state became a part of the United States. And it's known for this iconic smokestack. You can actually hike up there to it, and I think there's parking around the back is what it is, but they just left that smokestack just because it's iconic. And they do have a few one-bedroom cabins on property, which is them here. It's like they're portable buildings. Like they kind of plopped them down there, but you can see it's a beautiful area. This is their main building here. The office is around front. This is your main entrance going in where we did the opening of the video. You come this way and you go to the front of this building. We're going to take actually I'll give you a little peek of it real quick. So if you got any outgoing mail, well, actually that's incoming mail. And so that's the main building up there. And here's a restroom, actually through that door, coming from the outside. Toilet, sink. Everything's in pretty good condition. I think this place is like 5 years old. It's like they opened at 9. This is a little before 9. Coffee bar, I guess when they opened it up. Got a candy machine. I got a shower here. Ooh, laundry room. Didn't expect that. Coin operated. Please, no Canadian coins. That one, Maytag's not working. All right, let's go check out the showers. All right, as we go in the shower, everything's in good condition. Ooh, we even got a toilet in here. Cool. I like that. And we got dual showers. Huh, interesting. Got a lock on the door with dual showers. I'm locking the door. I'm just saying. Well, they do have a little upscale part of the park. For example, they've got these nice wooden picnic tables here. Those are pretty cool. And the fire pit. At least here. There's one down there. But there's not one of these ones in between. You hear people running machinery. That's about it. Other than that, it's very picturesque. They do have a in town. If you decide to go in town, they've got a Ace Hardware and an Albertsons grocery store, so you can pick up whatever you need. You don't need to try to find a Walmart or something. They'll have what you need if you're here during the day. But all in all, we had a good stay here. It was $63 a night, which is a little more on the high end. You could almost stay at a KOA for that. Oh, that was a slam on KOA. Let me just tell you, KOAs are just higher than most places. Oh, they got that water running. Just get a sprinkler going. See, got a sprinkler going over there. Anyway, didn't have any problems at all at this park. You could check in online, and it's pretty easy to navigate as long as you've got good service, which you can get good cell service in this area. You also get about 9 channels of Air TV, which is always good. And there is a cable hookup, but I don't know whether everybody's got a cable over here or not. I don't think they do, so don't depend on cable. Starlink works great, as it always does. Love me some Starlink, let me tell you. Easy getting out. Lots of these are pull-through sites, so easy getting in and out. So will we have a problem staying here again? Nope, not at all, especially in a pinch. We were supposed to be at a Harvest Host up the road, and I didn't like the road that the GPS was trying to take me on, so we didn't go to the Harvest Host. But other than that, we definitely enjoyed our stay here. Didn't have any issues. It's great having a pull through. We don't have to unhook anything, so it was good having that. But hope you enjoyed this video, and send it to your friends who might just maybe coming through Montana looking for a decent park to stay at. I'm gonna let you go. Be sure to like and subscribe, because I didn't get back out here living the coolest life. RV Park Review Edition.